Hi, we are on 19th December. It's a Friday, and we have just put in a very simple strategy that will usually you'll get this kind of trades usually sometimes where you can actually place your trades before the market opens, since you'll be knowing the trend. So the idea is very simple here. Uh, just seeing the USD INR chart, which opens at 9 o'clock. So you have a clear indication that USD INR is gap down open. So you should be having a green open in the NSE. So today it's 70 points. That is a pre-open 71 points up. And to just have an idea, so what we do is we are just checking the commodities. So you can see that most of that is in green. And if you just check the Asian markets, that's also in green, except the Shanghai. And European markets closed in green, and the same thing was with the American markets also. It was performing very good. So now what we do is, since we get all this data before 9 o'clock or before 8 o'clock or whatever it is, we have a sense that the Nifty will be on the long side today. So what we have done, we are using certain applications. That is, one is the trading chart. This is a separate application where you can trade on NSE, equity, F&O, agri and currency, all the segments. Now you can trade both intraday and positional in this. And apart from this, I have another application, which is FuturesTree application, where we get the prices on both the buy and the sell side at 9:15. That is the prices, the entry prices for the scripts. So you have 30 scripts here, so you can trade in all these 30 scripts at a single time. So I've just what I'll be doing is I'll be taking the data. This is a button here. So once I click it, I'll be getting the data for most of the scripts, and then I'll put it on auto refresh on mode. And the prices what you get are the spot market prices. You can trade the spot market prices with futures and even options also. And apart from these two applications, we have another application called as a PriceCatch, wherein I can place my trades at a single click. So I have completed the list of all the scripts, that is in the F&O segment and even the commodities also. Now whenever I get a call in FuturesTree, I'll just click this market buy or short button against the scripts. But I would be doing that after some time today, as I have placed my orders. So you can just check this. So I have placed the orders for all the scripts, for most of the scripts which for which have an indication that this will be in buy or in the short position after the market opens. Most of the scripts are in buy mode today. So I have just populated this also. So I have already placed my orders. I will just be waiting till 9:15 for these orders to get executed. So I won't be actually manually typing it, because I have already done it before the market. So as soon as the market opens, what will actually happen is you'll get the LTP prices, the prices here, and once you get the prices, it will automatically trigger when these conditions are reached. That is, Adani Enterprises, in case if it goes beyond 451, it will automatically trigger the call and it will come into the active trades. And here you'll be able to see the active order profits, that will be your MTMs and number of trades. So usually the doubt is how is that you can trade on so many scripts at a single time. I have already placed the orders, so you can just see it's just a matter of time for them to get executed. So maybe around 40 or 50 scripts I have placed the orders. I will just wait till the market opens for this to work. Now what I will be doing is, since you have these conditions, so it takes a few minutes of analysis so that you can start trading this way also. And this can be done both in the when you know the market, I mean, both in the long side and the short side also. There might be days when you'll have a down open lab, like what we have seen in the last, I mean, not yesterday, before that, around 4 or 5 days, we had every day in a gap down open. So it will work on these conditions, it will work on, so what you'll have to basically do is, you'll have to do some small amount of analysis. So I'll click on this current day data, it's 9:15 now, and I will activate my price catch also. I will put it on start auto trade.
Strategy alert. Strategy alert.
So you can actually just see my calls getting activated.
Strategy alert. Strategy alert. Strategy alert. Strategy alert.
So don't worry about the losses. You'll have to give it some time for it to get to the right mode. So now I have the prices here.
Strategy alert.
So I'll just click on auto refresh on button, put it on full screen mode. So now we have a sell call in Axis Bank, we have a sell call in Bank Nifty. So we'll wait for some time because the market is on the upside.
Strategy alert.
And we have got some short calls. And
strategy alert.
HCL Tech is a buy. Bharti Airtel is a gap down open, so we won't be trading on Bharti Airtel. I have not placed the orders on that also. So now
strategy alert.
You see that there are some vertical lines which actually tell us that these particular strips are not ready for trade. Like in case of Maruti, Hero Motors, DLF, JP, and these scripts. For these scripts, what we'll be doing is we'll be taking the current day data again at 9:20. We'll just click on the current day data at 9:20. And then we'll again put it on auto refresh mode, and then we'll get the prices for the other scripts also. So against the script, what you are seeing is the prices of the Nifty, which refreshes every 3 to 4 seconds. So now let me just come to price catch. The orders are already placed. So roughly it's around 34 orders have been placed, and it's showing a negative balance of 1,700 rupees as of now. So that is for 34 trades. 34 trades, I'm making a loss of rupees. Now it's in profit. So now we can actually watch the Scrips movie. So this or the stop losses are also there. So what we should do now is we should be opening the current day. We should be opening the trading tree charts and then put our stop losses. So I'll just take the backfill quickly. I open the charts and start placing the stop losses for the scripts. Then I'll be able to trade better, maximize my profits. Axis Bank we have 2,800, TATAMOTORS we have 2,000, Ashok Leyland we are 4,000. So this is how we can trade even before the market opens also. So let's wait for some more time. We'll definitely have some sizable amount of profits today. So the orders which are not executed, it will be in the pending list. So you can see that Bharti Airtel I have placed in buy order, but we have a sell order here, sell in the FuturesTree. Call hasn't been placed. Same thing with Ranbaxy or the other scripts. But otherwise you can see TCS I have not placed the orders. IT, usually what happens in this case, I won't touch this one simple strategy. I won't touch TCS and the IT pack and the pharma pack. Just because I know that the dollar is down, so there are chances that these particular scripts might be in the reverse direction. So I haven't taken IT and pharma into this. I have taken all the financials and other scripts. So now, okay, I will open the charts. So it will become very easy for me to place the stop losses and make the maximum out of each and every trade. Just opened these charts. Let me just come back to so what I should be doing now is I'll click on the current day data button again, so that we'll have the prices for the rest of the scripts. So now we have got the prices for the rest of the scripts. So you don't worry about this 17,000-18,000 because it's divided by 34 scripts. And in case if you have made some sizable profit in some scripts, you can exit them also. I will so let me just check which of the scripts that are making slightly higher losses. For those scripts, I will change the stop losses. So let me just open the trading key charts again. So always keep an eye on this 8218, that is a Nifty. So DLF we have a sell call, Tech Mahindra we have a buy, ITC we have a sell, TCS we have a buy. So you have the entry prices for almost all the scripts, not almost. So now you can start placing the orders in case if you're trading in the spot market. And just remember, don't get panicked with this 8,000, 10,000, 20,000 losses, because that is all divided by your average 30 scripts. It won't dent your Ashok Land. You can see we have already placed the order, it's a gap up. We will start squaring off some positions now. So Asian Paint is a gap up. Aurobindo Pharma, I think I did not place the order because it's in the pharma gap. So that is how you can minimize risks also. And considering
Strategy alert.
today is on Friday also, the markets will usually be very active with good turnovers also. So this is one of the factors why we don't miss Fridays.
There is a cell called an EHARTIA1.
So we have some calls in trading tree, that is the Bharti Airtel, we have a sell call. So you can just see the candle how it has opened. So we actually have placed a buy order on this, which will not get executed for time being. So let me just open the other charts. We'll start placing the stop losses. So PFC, we haven't opened the chart. So CAMBank 49, IRB, okay, Ambuja Cement. Ambuja Cement, I'll show you how to place the stop loss. You can take the TP line, that is 223.10. That will be a stop loss, but I'll just still wait on Ambuja Cement. Or you can actually place the stop loss also. 223.10. So you just click on the update. So Ambuja Cement,
Strategy alert.
I've already placed the order and it's already placed the call. Let's wait for some more time. We'll be getting some good trades. It might look a bit tedious for you, but to earn money you'll have to do a little bit of hard, that is opening the charts. So once I open the charts, then rest of the things become very easy for me, and the same will be with you for in case if you try to trade this way.
a sell call in
So
AMBUJACBM.
there you go, Ambuja Cement, we have a sell call. So the stop loss will get triggered on that. We will come back to that. Not a worry in case out of 34 scripts, you are hitting a stop loss in one script. That's not a big worry. So we are on profits of 17,000, 18,000 rupees right now. We'll wait for some more time. Once I open the charts, we'll again square off some positions. So you don't have to keep looking at your MTMs all the time, because you will know once you have the softwares. You'll know in case if there is any stop losses hit, we will know, we'll get a trigger, a voice alert. So we can be concentrating on our next calls. I mean placing the next orders.
There is a sell call in ITC1.
So we have a sell call in ITC. So we can place and trade here. That is 372.56. You can short. 372.50 also is fine. So CanBank, let's place an stop loss. We place an order at 437.20. So Apollo Types is good profit of 13,200. I will just show you the chart. There goes tires. Your target can be 231. So roughly around 33,000 rupees in profit.
Strategy alert.
So I think it's a decent profit of around 42,000 rupees, or let's say around 40,000 rupees. That is 20 minutes from the market open. That is 9:56 is the time now. So it's a decent profit. So that's one of the reasons why I say you should wait. So don't get panicked, and you should not panic for 10 or 20,000 rupees, because that is always divided by the 37 trades. Now if you ask me on average what will be the loss in case if it is 20,000 rupees, it's not even 1,000 rupees loss on each script. Apollo Tires is a very good trade. I mean 16,000 rupees. So you can see the other scripts are also in the positive direction. We had around 2,000 rupees loss in KTK. Now it is 900. That means the market is moving upwards. Meanwhile, I'll just even show you what's happening here. You can see that ICICIBANK, we have a buy, L&T, we have a buy, Maruti, Hero Motors, DLF, we have a Reliance, Kane, Hindalco has done all its targets. So ITC we got the sell call first here in futures, and we got a confirmation in trading tree. Tech Mahindra, we have a buy. We can actually place an order. Once, let me just open a few more charts, then we can start placing the orders. I mean some more scripts. So that's roughly around 50,000 rupees right now. I think that's a good decent profit for an intraday trader. Bank of Baroda, let's change the stop loss. What's the stop loss in Bank of Baroda? So I don't think I can change it to 1054, 1053, that is the recommend level. So I'm just going to change it 1053. So just click on update, it will get updated. So CanBank I have already placed the stop loss. So R Power, let me just open the chart. Union Bank is one thing. Otherwise rest of the scripts, I mean IRB is one script. Andhra Bank, let me just 2000